Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to open multiple softwares, files, folders and website links all at once in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as multiple file opener software, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just select your file, whether you want to download for installer or you want to download a portable. So if you don't feel like installing on your respective hard disk drive, then you can get a portable, or if you want to install it on your respective hard disk drive, then get the installer. So let me download the portable. Now click on start download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now we'll see the second file is the application. Just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So on opening or launching this application for the first time, you may see this kind of pop-up messages, right? Since we are using a trial version, but don't worry, you can use it completely for free. Just this pop-up message keeps popping up all the time. So if you feel irritating, then you can just buy it, or if you're okay with this pop-up message, then you can just use it completely for free. Just click on continue. And now say you can see I have one software, one text file as well as one folder. So what I will do is just select all these things and just drag it here, and after adding all this files, folders, softwares or website links, whatever you want to add here, then you can see at the bottom open multiple files, right? Just click on it. Now you can see all the files, folders, softwares or any other website link which you have added will get launched or open at the same time. So if you want to save the settings also, it's possible just by clicking on this save icon, and you can just select the output folder where you want to save it. So you can see here we have saved the file, and later on you can use it again if you feel like using the same applications again on the list. So by using this application, you can easily open multiple softwares, files, folders and website links all at once in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.